All right, family, let's get this Christmas tree home.
I'm so excited to decorate our Christmas tree!
I'm gonna get this tree unloaded and take it inside. Why don't you guys meet me in the living room?
Okay, dear. Come on, Peppa and George.
This tree sure is a heavy one. Where do you want to put it?
Let's set it up right here in the middle of this rug. This looks like the perfect spot.
Now that looks like a great Christmas tree.
I think it's time to decorate. Peppa, can you go get the ornaments for us? They're right over by the stairs. Okay, Mommy Pig. Oh, I found them! Wow, there's a lot in here. And they're so colorful. Let's dump the ornaments out on the rug, and then we can all take turns putting ornaments on the tree. Wiggle! Play! Peppa, why don't you go first? Pick out a few ornaments you'd like to hang on the tree. And George can have a turn after you. I want to hang up this pink ornament with white stripes. It's so pretty. That looks like the perfect spot. George, it's your turn to pick out an ornament. That looks like a great blue ornament with white dots, George. Go ahead and hang it on the tree, wherever you'd like. That looks great, George. It's my turn. I think I'm going to get this lovely gold and white dot ornament and put it way up here. That looks just right to me. Daddy Pig, it's your turn to pick an ornament.
If you say so. This blue and white striped one looks great. I'm gonna hang it up here. That looks good to me.
That looks lovely, dear. Peppa and George, why don't you put a few more ornaments on? Come on, George. This is great. Fun! Come on, Daddy Pig. Let's finish off the tree and put the remaining ornaments on.
This tree decorating is a workout.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. How lovely are your branches. Wow, our tree is so beautiful.
We're just missing the finishing touch. Does anyone know what that is? That's right, George, the star. Can you go over and get it for us? All right, let me pull over this stool so we can reach the top of the tree. That's heavy. Let me try it out first. Yep, we can reach. Come on, Peppa. Come on, George. Come on up.
But first we need to open the star before we go up there. Great thinking, Peppa. Let's open up the star. Wow, it's so shiny and sparkly. It's beautiful. Stars all ready. Hop on up. On the count of 3, we'll put the star on together. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! This tree is just stunning. Great job, family. It's beautiful, and it officially